Parts Pro. Today with 2004 Mazda Tribute, stock number 7183. There's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine by 4-speed automatic transmission. The L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight. The front guard has faded and peeling. Left front 6-inch automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. The front door has crease. Left rear door has crease. Left rear 6-inch automatic tyre. Right rear 6-inch automatic tyre. Right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard 1 dent. Right front 6-inch automatic tyre. Right front headlight. Front bonnet. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Head AC controls. Automatic shifter. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Back there 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.